Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are very fine and safe with your family members. And this is your third session of Maths class, and I am your Maths teacher Rubina. Today, we are going to see what is a function. So, in order to learn what is function, you would have already learned what is set and what is a Cartesian product and relation, and this relation is further extended to function. So in order to learn function, you should be very well thorough with this Cartesian product and relation, okay? Because I explained this under a structure Cartesian product. Let me take this Cartesian product as a set structure, okay? So under Cartesian product only we have taken the relation, right? So from this relation only we are going to take functions. So this function, it is a subset of relation, and this relation, it is a subset of Cartesian product. We denote this as function as f from a set A to the set B. It is the subset of the relation, and relation, it is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. So now come to the topic function. I'll explain what is function. It is nothing but it is a transformation, okay? Or else we can say this to be a mapping. This transformation or else this mapping takes place between the two sets. I name the two sets to be A and B, okay? It takes place between two sets under say certain rule of correspondence, okay? It takes place under certain rule. Let me give you some real life example, okay? In our daily life we would have gone through so many objects which gets transformed to another object, right? So let me consider milk first. Milk is changed to many byproducts. So let me take curd. So milk is transformed to curd under the process of fermentation, okay? Next, let me take rice. Rice is transformed to flour under the process of what? Under the process of grinding. The same rice, it is transformed to the cooked rice under the process of boiling, right? So now listen here. Milk is transformed to curd under the certain rule. It is certain rule. Under fermentation only can change to curd. And here also, while grinding only you will get flour. While boiling only you will get cooked rice. So now the same rule grinding. See here, the rice under the same rule grinding, I cannot get flour as well as the cooked rice. I can't get. So for the single input, there cannot be two output under the same rule, okay, under the same function. So for every input there should be a unique output, okay? So let me explain you clearly using an arrow diagram now. Already you would have learned what is the arrow diagram, so it will be very easy. So let me consider a set A with the elements 1, 2, 3, and the set B with the elements 3, 4, 5. So a function takes place between A to B. So now I map this 1 to 3 and I map this 2 to 4. Then I map this 1 again to 5. Tell me now whether it is a function or not. No, absolutely not. It is not at all a function. It cannot be a function because the same input 1, it has two outputs 3 and 5. So when a single input has two output, it cannot be a function. So I explain you this in a simple form. For every element in A, there should be a unique element, unique image in B. Then we can say that to be a function. Okay. So the definition I'll write you the definition. A relation F between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function. Is called a function from x to y if for each small x belongs to capital X, there exists only one y belongs to capital Y, such that x comma y belongs to the function f. In a simpler form, f the function, it is nothing but it is a set of all ordered pairs x comma y, such that for all x belongs to capital X and y belongs to capital Y. So I'll again explain you using an arrow diagram. A, B. Let me have this set element to be 1, 2, 3. I have here to be M, Q, R. Now I map this 1 to M and 2 to Q, and now 3 also to Q. Okay, so here see all the inputs of the set A, it has a unique image in B. Okay, so for 2 it is a single input Q. For 3 also has a single input Q, and 1 has a single input M. So for each and every element in A, there exists a unique image or a single output in B. So we say this to be a function.